Sawadika everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create this leaf carving two-tone color with lace cut pattern here, see-through, just like this one here, by using cucumber. So let's get started. Let me put this aside. I'm using cucumber here. You can use zucchini or yellow squash. Yellow squash gonna give you two tone of yellow and white, and zucchini will be green and white. So I'm using cucumber today. I cut the tip off. Then I want the leaf to twist. Give it a little twist, a little bit here instead of just flat. You see there? So I'm gonna cut. After you split your cucumber into half, just like this one, you're gonna cut it in a bias. So you get two pieces out of one cucumber. Then you're gonna scrape off the seed here of the cucumber. And then the thickness on the side as well. Let me use my carving knife here. Okay, now we're gonna reshape this piece to look like a leaf here. And then keep trimming the edge, the inside, underneath of the cucumber here. You want underside to be cleaned up really thin, because when you cut it through pattern here, you want it to be a clean cut. And went through easily. Okay, there you go. Okay, they twist it a little bit. Okay, you decide which side you want it to be black, green or white. So first of all, you're gonna divide this cucumber into half. Follow the shape that you create, okay? Don't just draw a straight line, because your cucumber is twisted a little bit. So I'm gonna follow my shape. And if you want the left side to be white, then you trim this side off. If you want the right to be white, then you trim this side off. So I'm gonna keep my this is a little green here and this is yellow, so I'm gonna keep my left side white. So I'm gonna trim off. First of all, you're gonna create a line so you can see what you're doing, like that. And then you decide which side you want, and peel off the skin of the cucumber. Then it seems like this side a little too large. Now what you need to do, go ahead and cut the section. Insert your knife through and cut an eye shape opening into this cucumber here. Okay, because cucumber have a thickness, I know you can see that you need to insert the knife and trim inside, so expand out the hole a little bit, so it will be a little larger. Then you're gonna draw a line, a wavy line, like an edge curve. Again, go back, give a little gap, and cut that edge curve out to leave a design on it. Can you see there? I don't know, you can see or not. Yeah, see the line? And then continue the next cut. Same thing. An eye shape, cut through. And then if they're not wide enough, go back and recut it. Okay, again, draw a edge curve line, trim it out slightly. See there? Continue. Make sure you start reducing the size when you go close to the top area, the top of the leaf. Okay, now we finish on this side, so we need to go back on this side here. Cut opening, repeat the same thing. Edge curve line, trim it out. Make sure you don't cut your finger, okay, guys? If you lay it flat on a cutting board, you might break the cucumber because the cucumber shape is twisted a little bit. So if you lay it flat, it might broken. So try your best. Okay. What do you think, guy? Still working on it? Make sure reduce the size of your cut as you go to the top. Okay, there you go. Finish. It's not that very fast and easy. Not that difficult. Okay, what do you think? Pretty easy technique. Okay, let's bring back our leaf carving here. What do you think, everyone? Easy and simple leaf carving. I hope you enjoyed this short section with me, how to carve this curvy lace carving leaf two-tone effect here from cucumber, and it give a little twist technique. Thank you for watching, and you guys stay safe and keep carving. If you like the video, please keep your thumb up, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified on my next coming video. Thank you again. Have a good day. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Enjoy.